Hi friends, how are you all? Okay, I would like to share how to keep our feet clean, normal feet, normal clean. At this time of moment, we can't go to the parlor. So, it's a simple way of keeping our toenails, toes, and feet clean. How do we do that? During rain time, we walk on the road where the water, dirty water, or a dust all will fill our feet. So when you come back home, you wash it with a toothbrush. Take a little bit of water and you put little bit of soap and clean that your toenails and in between your toes. Yes, this is way. So the side of the nails always has some little bit of open where the dirt will go in. So that is why it turned to black. And now we are cleaning this way. So it helps to clean the nails, take out all the sand or whatever dirt inside. And after this, what we are going to do, this is normally after come home, used to wash like this. This is the normal procedure. Then after that, suppose say once a week we want to clean our feet. What do? We use all these things. All these, this is the cream and this is the sponge, Epsom salt, and this is the oil, and this is the soft Brussels brush. The towels are ready for water. And then now, how do we? This Epsom salt, just take a tap, fill water until to your ankle length, then soak for 20 minutes. After that, you wipe out. Then now, you are going to put the wet cloth and wipe again. Nicely, neatly, behind. Yes, this is how behind. Yes. Now this is how we clean our feet. See? See how she's doing so beautifully. She's doing it. Now my feet is very clean. So now, and then what are we going to do is this. Take this oil and cream together and massage the leg. Softly massage the leg. அந்த எண்ணெயும் அந்த க்ரீமும் எந்த எண்ணெயும் நீங்கள் பாவிச்சுக்கலாம். whichever oil you can use like say coconut oil, olive oil, and whatever essential oil you prefer, but it has to be oil. So what you do, you massage your leg with the oil nicely and gently. You can use this oil with your cream, your skin cream. So it is not a shower cream, it's a skin cream. So after lotion, we call it lotion, skin lotion. So nicely you apply the oil all over your feet, in between the toes and everywhere. Nicely massage. Yes, bring down. Yes, this is how. இந்த மாதிரி தான் அந்த எண்ணெயும் அந்த லோஷன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, பேபி லோஷன் போடலாம், இல்லை உங்களுக்கு என்ன லோஷன் இருக்கோ நீங்கள் எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களோ அதை ஒரு எண்ணெயோட கலந்தால் ரொம்ப நல்லது. எந்த எண்ணெயில் நம்ம கலக்கிறது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தாக்கா ஆலிவ் ஆயில் பாவிச்சுக்கலாம், இல்லைனாக்கா நீங்கள் தேங்காய் எண்ணெய் பாவிச்சுக்கலாம், இல்லை நீங்கள் வேறு எதுவும் எண்ணெய் பாவிக்கிறீங்கன்னா அதையும் நல்லா பாவிச்சுக்கலாம். இந்த மாதிரி பாவித்து நல்லா ஒரு கொஞ்சம் நேரம் அப்படியே நீங்கள் பண்ணினீங்கன்னா அந்த மசாஜ் கால் ரொம்ப உங்களுக்கு வலி கூட ரொம்ப குறைஞ்சி வரும்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா அந்த நரம்பு, the pain, it will reduce your pain while you massage this way. And also you will avoid dry skin. You can see some people have a dry feet where you can see some white colors on it and all that. It's a dead skin. So we wash this way, we won't be having that dry skin. So after applying this oil and massage, we are going to use the brush to the soft Brussels. You can use the scraping one, but I don't use it. I use the soft scrubbing one. So at the back of your See, you will have the kind of a skin always there. So you have to take it out easily, softly, because this will never scrape your skin. It only scrape out your whatever dirt or skin, the dead skins out from your feet. Yeah, this is way. See how she's doing. Yeah, this is how you have to do with both legs. You have to do with the both legs. See, this is how. See how nicely. So all the dirt is coming down. Now, what you do is, after scraping all that, and then you wipe out the table, your chair, because all the dirt would have fallen. So you put a towel and wipe the stool properly, and then again put the leg. And now what I am going to do is, this is at home work. So wherever you can sit, however you can sit. You see, it's only at home procedure. So now already apply oil and already massage. And now what you are going to do is, now take a shower cream, wash your legs. Wash cream, washing the oil away. See how she's washing? Back, front, toes, and all those. See? This is how we are washing. Every day we bathe with it, but this is a special one where you are cleaning your toes, in between your toes, nails, and massaging and all those things. So it cleans up this way, and nicely she's doing it beautifully. See, very soft and very nice, very soothing. Your feet feel the soothing. And now after all this, we are going to wipe out. Wipe out. See, take the sponge. I showed you earlier the sponge. Take out the sponge and wipe. Wipe the shower cream. Wiping out. Wiping out, see? Yes, from top to bottom. You have to go this way. Very good. Yes, top to bottom. Very good. See, this way only have to go. And after wiping everywhere, both legs, now, okay, we have already wiped out oil, cream and shower cream from our feet. And now what we are going to do? We are going to take a towel. You see, she's perfectly doing, very good. She's so good. She's doing perfectly. Now, take a towel and wet the towel in the water. Take the wet towel and wipe your feet. So you don't have to go to the bathroom, just take time to this one, wash that, this. Oh no, this you just sit on the chair while watching TV, while talking to your friend, or while you have free time, you can do this. It's an easy way, the fastest way. You see, you don't take much time, you don't have to sit in the bathroom, fill the water, no, this is very easy. So every time you can do this. When you feel your feet is dry and your feet is dirty, you can do this. If you forget to do this at the bathing time, you can do after that also. See how smooth and soft she's doing. Very nice. She has already wiped out the oil, the cream, lotion we call it, and then also with the shower cream. Now she has wiped it out nicely. And then now you look at your feet, how clean, and look at your nails, how clean it is, and all this. This is how we take care of our nails. How old are you also, it is not the big matter. It's only how we take care of our toes, feet and all that. So you must be happy to know all this. Thank you for watching my video.